It is Prime Minister Modi who will be sworn in as the Prime Minister for the third time on 8th of June, and it will be Prime Minister Modi-led cabinet which will be sworn in, which will have a significant presence and role of various alliance partners. It will be an NDA government which will be sworn in on 8th of June. Remember, the Rashtrapati Bhavan is shut from today onwards for the next 4 days to ensure that the preparations are put in place for all the formalities which are needed for the swearing-in ceremony. It is going to be a historic occasion for the BJP-led NDA government, a big one. What will be the negotiations that will be extracted by Mr. Naidu and Mr. Nitish Kumar, that remains to be seen. Nitish Kumar is weakened in comparison to his earlier number of 2019, but because of the overall BJP numbers going down, Nitish Kumar will have a significant say. He'll have his cabinet presence as well. His party will have cabinet presence. Who will be the cabinet minister from Nitish Kumar's camp, that remains to be seen. And all that and much more will be decided in the next 48 hours. Because it's all building up to 8th. And at what time, I will try and get that detail as to what time the Modi 3.0 cabinet will be sworn in. It will be Prime Minister Narendra Modi who's returning to power.
Maria, you've tracked the BJP very closely. I want to ask you who you think is going to be that alliance troubleshooter. The one within the party who can take everyone along, because over the last decade, they haven't had the need for one. Who do you think will play that role?
I think it will be Home Minister Amit Shah, Mr. Rajnath Singh, Mr. Gadkari, and also the Prime Minister himself. Let's not forget then that when Nitish Kumar returned to the NDA fold, it was Prime Minister Modi who was directly in touch with Nitish Kumar without any go-between between the two leaders. It was Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah who ensured the entire transition from the Mahagathbandhan of the Nitish Kumar, of which Nitish Kumar was part of, to this. We'll be seeing a far more accommodative
kind of role. A George Fernandez kind of role? Do you see anyone playing that role?
Look, Veera, I'll say that the politics of India has seen a significant shift in the last 15 years. And I'm of the opinion that we'll be seeing a far more accommodative NDA, far more accommodative BJP. And if you look at the first tweet that was put out by Prime Minister Modi after that victory of the NDA, he had said that this was the faith that people have shown on the NDA. He did not talk about the BJP per se. He spoke about the BJP in the context of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. But again in Andhra Pradesh, he talked about the greater role of TDP and Janasena.